Hello, you naughty, naughty, naughty little bunny rabbits. How you all doing? Right, today I'm going to do a 1961. That was a good year. That was a good year for pineapples, believe it or not. And this is an old 2 shillings, 2 bob. And yeah, before I start, I got a comment Sunday, I think, or Monday, from one of my new subscribers. A very strange comment, I have to say. And it's something he wants me to do while I'm using Spike. So we'll get to that part a little later. Well, so first of all, I have to punch a hole in it. I hope you're all doing fine. Thank you all so much for the weekend. It went crazy. I don't know what you was all smoking, but smoke some more. Come on. Or you was on the old gin. Right. First of all, let's go over to the one and only gorgeous as ever, Big Bertha. There she is, looking absolutely ravishing as usual. And we'll punch a hole in it. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. Oh, yeah. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Oh, baby, come on. Yes, beautiful. Lovely. Okay, there we go. We should have a nice 2 bob with a hole in it. And we do. Right. Another dull day in Helsinki today. I haven't seen the sun for quite a few days now. It's all dark and murky, drizzly. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. You just want to clean up the edges, make sure there's no, potatoes growing in there or cucumbers. You don't want any micro scratches or micro cuts or splits, otherwise you're going to split your ring when you start stretching it. Smooth, baby, that's lovely. Right, now I'm going to anneal it. You've seen it 1,000 times. I'm not going to show it again. Okay, I'm back. It's annealed. The reason I don't show the anneal, I'm trying to shorten the videos a bit, because the attention span of a lot of people isn't, some of my videos go on for 15, 20 minutes. This probably will do, but I try to sort of cut them down a bit. Otherwise, you get a bit bored. And anyway, enough chit chat. So now we just want to get out dimples, and we're going to go, this side's going to be sunny side up on the ring, so that goes face down. Now a little doming block. I had some great comments over the weekend, thank you. I had some sad ones as well. I've got some haters now, it's quite good. You're disgusting. Some people, they've got nothing better to do than, sit on their arse and Billy No Mates people, Now we want to find one of these. This is a 17-degree folding die. Is that any good? Nope. That's a bit better. Right, let's chuck in a bit of jollop. I use a bit of coconut oil. You can use whatever turns you on, really. It just helps things slide a little easier. Right. You just want it as level as possible. It ain't too shabby. A little folding cone. I'm glad I put this magnet on it now, it's so much easier. Right, and now we'll give it a bit of the old one too. 1, 2, and a bit. Right. we got now? Now I'll just do clean this up a little bit with my brand new bit of sandpaper that I haven't got yet. Yeah, sorry man. You're just making sure that you've got no hairline cracks. Otherwise you're going to split your ring. A little bit more, I'd say. That's better. Right, I'm going to heat it up again, which you don't really need to see. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I've just annealed it. Right, here comes the one and only Mr. Spike. Now this is where I've been asked to sing a song while I'm using Spike. Now I don't know whether this guy had a smoke or he'd just come out of karaoke, but he wants me to sing this song while I'm using Spike. So I can't sing, but hey, I'm going for a laugh. Right, here he is. Here's Spike, looking good, looking sexy. So I use the kitchen roll, the kitchen paper, to protect the inside of the coin. Because I'm not going to be able to talk because I'm going to be singing. Oh my God, why am I doing this? Okay. You're everywhere and nowhere, baby. That's where you're at. Going down a bumpy hillside in your hippie hat. Flying across the country and getting fat. Saying everything is groovy when your tires are flat. Come on, everybody. And it's hi-ho, silver lining. Everywhere you go now, baby. I see the sun is shining, but I will make a fuss, though it's obvious. There you go. And that was for a guy called Junk Monkey. I think he's a new subscriber. So sorry about the song. But he requested it, so why the hell not, you know? I mean, I don't just... I mean, I'm not doing this for seriousness. I'm doing this because I enjoy doing it, you know? I might. So you want to get that bow out of it. I'm going to give it a bit more love with Bernie the fire starter. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. I just annealed it again. If you want to check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there I can adjust the size for you. How's it looking? You're just looking to get the bow out of it. No splits. Nothing drastic has happened yet. Give it time, give it time. I tried to make a sixpence last night and the bloody thing split on me. Yeah, I've got it here. See, this can happen. It can happen. It doesn't often happen, but it does happen sometimes. Oh, baby. You're getting tight on me. Wait, come on. There you go. No bow, more cone shaped, which is what you want. And you're looking for the reeded side to actually touch the mandrel, which it does. But it's got hard again, so I'm now going to anneal it again for a second time. Okay, I just annealed it again. So now we're going to go down to the bottom end of the spike. Well, I called it the arse end of the spike. And these are reduction dies, and you want to find one where it protrudes a little bit. There's a bit there. I'd like it if it weren't so much, but hey. And then you give it a bit the old one too. Oh, jeez, I swept. I didn't eat my cornflakes today. Oh, there you go. That's pretty good. Right, let's give it a bit of love with Kate Bush. Kate Bush is already installed. This is just like Quad Zero steel wool. It doesn't scratch the coin. It just gets the fire scale off. I bounce it on the reeds, that way the little brushes get into it. If you go like this, it doesn't really work that well. So I do a bit of bouncing on it, you know, bouncy bouncy. Right, that's pretty sexy. We'll take out Kate and we're whacking Felton John. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. But first of all, let's break out Christy Burr again. Well, there's not much of a lip in there. There's a little bit of a lip. That bit there, not the dots, the bit above it. It can make it uncomfortable to wear, and it also gives you a full sizing, so you got any comments? Drop them down. I read them all. I try and answer them all. I mean, I got so many comments over the weekend, I might have missed one or two, so if I have, I'm very sorry. I'm not used to getting like loads of comments. I'm not complaining. Or am I complaining? No, I'm not complaining. Yeah, I just started doing this because I made glass for the odd 25 years and I still like doing it, but you think, oh, I'd like to do something a bit different. And I just started doing this for a giggle, like, and thought I'd try YouTube. Well, it took me, just over a year to get 1,000 subscribers. And in the last few days, it's gone to like 1,600 subscribers. So thank you all so much. You're all little darlings in my eyes. I love you, love you, love you, love you. Right. That's pretty sexy. Yeah, that lip's cut out of there. Beautiful. So now I've showed a bit of affection with some polish. Oops, a daisy. Now the messy part. This is my favourite part. You could wear gloves, but you wouldn't get messy if you did, would you? Right. Now let's see what happens. Let's bring in a bit more, shall we? Let's get a bit more intimate. Yeah, come on, baby. Yeah, there you go. These come up quite good. bit more volume, eh? Yeah, if you'd like me to make you a ring, I'll have to make you one. You get a video as well. I've got loads of coins. You can convo me, see what I've got. You can even send me your own coins. I did get a comment from some guy, can I make them out of gold coins? Yeah, I can. But I think you'd be better off keeping your gold coin. Because gold's gone crazy price at the moment. I think a gold sovereign is about €800 now. I mean, I remember buying them for £190. Because I don't use banks. They're robbing bastards, a lot of them. And the money in the bank isn't officially yours, did you know that? It's the bank's money. I think that's sexy enough. Right, let's clean off the old mingers and see what we got. It should have come up quite good. So, sorry about the song, but somebody did ask me to do it, so I thought, well, why not? Oh yeah, that's pretty sexy. I do clear coat my rings, but I don't clear coat them till I've sold them. So if you do buy a ring and you want it adjusted, then I adjust the size and then I clear coat it. It takes about 24 hours to dry. Right, how's it looking? Two shillings, two bob. Bit of Ron Atkinson there, bob, bob. Where is she? There she is, Elizabeth. Good old Lizzie. Rule Britannia. What size we got? And that's why I use the kitchen roll. You've got all the detail on the inside as well. This is a size, and that isn't what you think it is before you start getting any ideas. It's a size 12 and a quarter, 12 and a half, just over 12 and a half. I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger. So, it fits this finger perfectly. Thank you all for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great day. Try and make somebody smile. Don't let the bastards get you down. And God willing, I'll see you on the next one. Tubby bye-bye.